compact conductors are electrical conductors designed to be more compact and lighter than traditional conductors. They are made by stranding together multiple smaller conductors in a specific pattern, which reduces the overall diameter and weight. The claim that 90% of aluminum purchased at supply houses is of the compact conductor classification is inaccurate. Compact conductors have gained popularity but don't yet represent the majority of aluminum purchased. It is estimated that compact conductors account for around 20 to 30% of aluminum conductors purchased. Compact conductors offer advantages such as reduced weight, size, and improved efficiency, but they are not yet the dominant type of aluminum conductor available. Now let us discuss whether 4/0 SIR cable typically uses compact conductors. No, 4/0 SIR cable is not typically made up of compact conductors. 4/0 SIR cable is a stranded aluminum conductor with a cross-sectional area of 4/0 American wire gauge. It is commonly used in electrical distribution systems and is not typically manufactured with compact conductors. Firstly, let's define a standard conductor. Standard conductors are made by simply stranding wires together. Secondly, consider compact conductors, which undergo an additional step to reduce the overall diameter. This process involves shaping the individual strands before they are stranded together. This shaping typically involves drawing the strands through dies to create a more uniform and interlocking cross-section. Thirdly, let's examine the benefits of using compact conductors. The compaction process reduces air gaps between the strands, resulting in a smaller overall diameter for the same current carrying capacity. This smaller diameter offers several advantages. One advantage is reduced weight, which is particularly beneficial in overhead applications where weight can be a significant concern. Another advantage is improved flexibility, as the compacted strands allow for easier bending and handling. Another advantage is enhanced thermal performance, as the reduced air gaps improve heat dissipation. Also, consider the factors influencing the choice between compact and standard conductors. The choice between compact and standard conductors depends on several factors, including the application, cost considerations, and performance requirements. Compact conductors are generally more expensive than standard conductors due to the additional manufacturing processes involved. However, the benefits of reduced weight, size, and improved performance may justify the higher cost in certain applications. For example, in high-voltage transmission lines, the use of compact conductors can reduce sag and increase the capacity of existing structures. In underground distribution systems, the smaller diameter of compact conductors can reduce the size of conduits and trenches. Also, consider the different types of compact conductors. There are several types of compact conductors available, each with its own unique characteristics and performance capabilities. One common type is compressed strand conductors, which are manufactured by compressing the stranded conductor after it has been stranded. This process reduces the diameter of the conductor and improves its tensile strength. Another type is compact round conductors, which are manufactured with specially shaped strands that fit together more tightly than standard round strands. This results in a smoother surface and a smaller overall diameter. Also, consider the applications of compact conductors. Compact conductors are used in a wide range of applications, including overhead transmission lines, underground distribution systems, building wiring, and appliance cords. They are particularly well suited for applications where space is limited or where weight is a concern. For example, in high-rise buildings, the use of compact conductors can reduce the size of electrical closets and increase the usable floor space. In aircraft and spacecraft, the reduced weight of compact conductors can improve fuel efficiency and payload capacity. It is also helpful to consider the installation and termination of compact conductors. The installation and termination of compact conductors are similar to those of standard conductors. However, it is important to use appropriate tools and techniques to ensure a proper connection. When terminating compact conductors, it is important to use connectors that are specifically designed for use with compacted strands. These connectors typically have a larger barrel and are tied to grip to accommodate the reduced diameter of the conductor. It is also important to follow the manufacturer's instructions carefully when installing and terminating compact conductors. In conclusion, compact conductors offer several advantages over standard conductors, including reduced weight, size, and improved performance. While they are not yet the dominant type of aluminum conductor on the market, they are becoming increasingly popular due to their benefits. The choice between compact and standard conductors depends on several factors, including the application, cost considerations, and performance requirements.